Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start immediately by confirming game version and a clean backup. This avoids lost progress. Next, make sure you have puppet or shadow variants in your roster because they influence drop tables. Once done, set a party with one empty slot to increase encounter control and perform 1 to 3 quick battles to establish a stable RNG baseline. These first steps reduce wasted time and set conditions where the auto-mimic chip can appear more predictably in later encounters. You now focus on the core grind. Choose zones known for mimic spawns and stay mobile to trigger reinforcements. Use low-level allies so fights end quickly. This increases encounter rate per hour. Make sure to use save points then soft reset after runs that produce no chip, because soft resetting manipulates spawn attempts. While farming, swap a puppet or shadow into and out of party between saves to alter drop probability. This subtle manipulation shifts internal tables toward the auto. You finish by watching for the drop and equipping the auto-mimic chip right away, tested in a low-risk fight to confirm functionality. If prolonged farming yields nothing, change to another mimic-heavy zone or alter your party composition. Small changes reset spawn math. Make one troubleshooting save. Reload that save, re-equip candidate characters, and repeat a short run. This often fixes invisible equip bugs or RNG stalls. Follow that loop until successful, then back up your save.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.